Right, this is a song about recovering from depression. Quite a lot of people get depressed. And Pete Morton wrote this one to try and help you see there's another train coming, except when there's the wrong kind of leaves on the line. He wrote it at the time when we had all that problem with trains and they couldn't move because of the wrong kind of leaves or the wrong kind of snow. But it's a brilliant song and it's got a really easy chorus, so if you want to join along, please do. The beginning